Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Joy, and today I'm just going to be pulling some animal oracle cards. All the, oh boy, all those tornadoes that had gone through seven of the states here. It's and watching all the videos and the news, and that can be, it's so devastating, and I don't really feel that this is a good time to honestly to do tarot read for every zodiac sign, because there are so many people that have had loss and need some comfort and help. So what I've decided to do for this week here, this first week of April, is just pull some animal energy cards. Let's see what animal energies, that you can pull in for yourself, or if any of the animal lessons that you can take and help. So let's go ahead and pull some cards here. The first animal that's coming through is helping anybody, helping everyone or anybody that has had family, friends, or even themselves have lost any type of, have lost anything, with all these tornadoes going around and snowstorms as well. So let's just, anyone that's been affected by the weather, we'll say. It can affect you in many different ways. It can affect you emotionally, mentally, physically, all of the above, right? So let's pull in these animal energies and see what animals are coming through to help maybe help you cope with some of that. We have the badger. It says, abandon compromise and fight valiantly for what you believe in. All right, so the badger's coming in and wants to give you that little oomph, that little push to go ahead and to just keep moving on. Push your way through. Change is hard. Change is very hard. The little badger is like, just wants you to push through all the loss. Just keep moving on. Just push on valiantly, and to keep the beliefs. Keep the belief in you that it's all going to be fine. It's all going to be fine. I mean, the little badger, he does look a little bit like he's kind of cowardling down, down in the, I don't know, is this grasses? In the grasses. He looks like he's kind of back a little bit. But this is just, it's kind of like portraying what you may be feeling right now, and he's just saying, take my energy and start pushing through. Don't let the storms make you, hold you back and I was gonna say, make you like coddling in, this is the time, to go out there and fight valiantly and help, help. Put your energy into helping others at this time. And then you have the mountain goat is coming in. The mighty mountain goat here. He can leap and climb. Goats, the wild goats, the mountain goats. They have these little sticker like things on their hoofs. Kind of like little suction cups as well. Or kind of, we could just say it's kind of like Velcro. One, that they can leap high mountains and they can climb the steepest little cliffs and not fall because of the little like rubberish, velcro-ish pads, I guess they're called. I don't know what they're called, but they do have something on the bottom of their hoofs that will help them. And so in other words, he's just saying, you know, any mountains that need climbed this next couple weeks, you can do it. You know, take the energy, take the push and the oomph from the badger, and go ahead and climb those mountains again. Start rebuilding. Start rebuilding and start climbing those cliffs. Because, you know, if you notice here, he's on a cliff. And in the tarot, the Fool is on the cliff, right? And he's, you know, he's going forward. The Fool is going forward. He's not letting anybody detour him. He's not letting anybody tell him what to do, what not to do. He's being free, and he's going to go on his way. He's going to do it his way. And that is kind of like what the mountain goat is also coming through and showing you that, yeah, I'm standing tall. I'm going to stand tall, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to rebuild, and I'm going to reclimb those mountains and get myself back to where I want. He's bringing you that ability, or the agility. He's bringing you the agility to get back up there, to get back up. Get back up there and don't cower and don't hide away. Don't hide away. Go out and help others. And your next card then is the hare. The next animal that's coming in is the hare. It says discernment before a passionate encounter leads to the magic of love. Fruitful, you know, abundance, being fruitful, be caring, have passionate, you know, be passionate and listen to people's stories. Listen to their stories and be passionate, have passion for them, and try to give them some advice, or give someone that may have been in these storms, you know, a little push of vitality to, you know, push a little vitality on them. Let them know that they can climb, that they are alive, right? They're alive. They are going to survive. Give them that little bit of oomph, and let them, show them or help them climb the ladder, climb that mountain again. Because, you know, just some kind words and some help, you know, will help the magic again, will help the love that they've had rejuvenate within themselves and within you as well. Okay, well, that's the reading. And I'm going to say I agree. This isn't a very good video. I'm just having a lot of emotions over these tornadoes, and yeah. But I wanted to get a video out for you. So have a wonderful weeks, and see you again. Bye.